Hello, I am Eser, the trainer from Bosch. We continue the series of clips that have as their central theme woodworking. Power tools, accessories, dust extractors, complete Bosch professional solutions that we recommend for wood applications. No matter if they are elementary operations such as cutting, drilling, sanding wood or others, or complex works through which following elementary operations, bigger projects are realized such as wooden structures, furniture, and carpentry, and many others. In this month's clip, we present a professional Bosch solution recommended for works that require higher level of finishing of the processed surfaces, versatility, so that it can cover a wide range of operations and types of materials, and last but not least, a very good ratio between the performance and the price of this recommended solution. GEX 185 Li is a new eccentric sander with 18-volt battery and 125mm diameter sanding plate, a new electric tool that offers the user another option in the process of choosing the most suitable solution for this job too. It comes in two different versions of the delivery set. The solo version in a cardboard box containing the sanding machine and the dust collector bag, and the set version in professional suitcase containing the sanding machine, a GBA 18-volt 4 amperes battery, a GAL 18-volt 40 fast charger with a charging current of 4 amperes and a dust collecting bag. The machine is especially recommended for professional users who perform dry sanding operations on wood, plastic materials, plastering materials, and lacquered surfaces such as carpenters, furniture manufacturers and fitters, car tinsmiths, and others who need a medium to fine sanding results. This new 18-volt battery sanding machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art Bosch brushless motor mounted in a very compact housing, which gives the machine a much better stability and maneuverability during use. It is very light, under 1 kg, which gives the user the opportunity to work very comfortable with it, even holding it with just one hand. This comfort in use is also given by the optimized ergonomic shape of the machine, provided with soft non-slip material on the surfaces where the user's hand holds the machine. This soft, adherent material has two properties that are as simple as they are and important to ensure a firm grip of the hand on the machine and to reduce the level of vibrations felt by the user during sanding. GEX 185 Li is equipped with an electronic module that fulfills two very important working functions of the machine. The first is the adjustment of the machine's working speed, allowing the engine speed to be selected between 6,000 and 10,000 RPM. Directly related to this parameter, the level of sanding vibrations can vary between 12,000 and 20,000 vibrations per minute. This electronic speed selector brings the user a very important advantage because it allows him to choose the most suitable work mode for the sanding operations he must perform. The second function of the electronic module is that of electronic constant power. It has the role of keeping the power and efficiency of the machine constant when it is grinding. The electronic power constant detects the speed decrease during sanding and implicitly the current increase in the motor. So it commands the increase of voltage, thus restoring the normal working parameters of the machine. This process takes place instantly and continuously, and of course within reasonable usage range. The electronic constant power is the element that keeps the sander's working efficiency high. Regarding the protection of the user and the working environment against the dust produced during sanding, the GEX 185 Li has two dust extraction options. One of the solutions is to use the collector bag that comes in the delivery set of the tool. It is made of a special textile material with anti-static properties. It has a storage capacity of up to 0.33 liters. It can be emptied of dust very simply by opening its cover only. It can be very easily mounted on the integrated dust extraction nozzle of the GEX and has the ability to rotate freely around the axis of the nozzle, giving the user the opportunity to choose the optimal position of the bag depending on the situation. The other anti-dust solution is to connect the sanding machine to a Bosch professional professional vacuum cleaner, either to a cordless 18V such as the GEX 18V-10L, which I already presented in a more detail in a dedicated clip, or to a corded vacuum cleaner such as GEX 12-25PL Professional. This vacuum cleaner with a dust tank capacity of 25 liters is equipped with a HEPA filter, very effective in retaining the sucked dust. It is able to capture and retain up to 99.95% of very fine dust particles with dimensions of 0.3 microns. The vacuum cleaner motor has a rated power of 1250 watts and develops a maximum vacuum at the turbine level of 200 millibars with a maximum airflow of 65 liters per second. These parameters make GEX 12-25PL a very good solution for dry vacuuming of non-flammable powders and also for wet vacuuming operations of non-flammable liquids or water and air mixtures. The vacuum cleaner hose can be very easily attached to the exhaust nozzle of the sender through the conical rubber adapter that comes in the delivery set of the vacuum cleaner. GEX 12-25PL has a special system for pre-filtering the sucked air by means of a special membrane mounted in the tank. This pre-filtration system helps the main filter of the vacuum cleaner in retaining the sucked dust particles. Regarding the range of accessories that can be used with GEX 185Li, it is varied just as the applications for which this machine can be used are diverse. The sanding plate has a diameter of 125 millimeters and the sanding sheets are attached to it with hooks. Depending on the specifics of the application, the type of material to be sanded, the smoothness of the surface that must be obtained, or how fast the work must be performed, an accessory capable of satisfying these requirements must be selected. For example, for fast sanding wood or painted wood with a high material removal rate, a solution recommended by Bosch is the M480 sanding net. Available in a range of grits from 80 to 400, these sanding nets have the great advantage that they are open structures, so the dust produced during the sanding is sucked through the entire surface of the net, the amount of the dust left on the part or spread in the work area being incomparably lower than in the case of standard sanding sheets. F355, best for coating and composites, abrasive sheets, can be used for sanding plastic materials or hard minerals. With these sheets, you can sand, for example, marble or granite surfaces, furniture made of composite materials such as corian, or restore the surfaces of kitchen counters with the scratches. GEX 185Li can also be used in the automotive car body industry. For example, when sanding the putty applied to the car body elements for repairs. For this application, expert C470 abrasive sheets are a very good solution due to the modern technical elements in their component. The controlled dimensional uniformity of the abrasive grains and the base layer with anti-static properties in which these grains are fixed led to uniformity polished surfaces and to a longer life the abrasive sheet which clogs much less. These examples are only a few of the wide range of applications where the GEX 185Li together with the right accessory can be used. Another advantage which we are already used to, and that is why we tend to overlook it although it really represents a great advantage, is that the GEX 185Li is a cordless tool. That is a machine that can be used anywhere, in any position, without being limited by the length of the power cable or even by the very existence of a conventional power source. And very important, the GEX 185Li is compatible with absolutely all 18-volt Bosch Professional batteries, regardless the capacity. A very good result, up to 40 minutes of sanding is obtained by equipping the machine with the GBA 18-volt 4 amperes battery. Let's briefly recap some of the main technical features of this tool. equipped with the latest Bosch brushless motor, with a modern ergonomic design with adherent and anti-vibration surfaces, with an electronic module that ensures the speed selection and the tool's constant power. This was a brief technical presentation of the new GEX 185 Li cordless sander with a 125mm plate and powered by a Bosch Professional 18-volt battery. I have also made some recommendations of applications and accessories for this, but of course they are only a few of the large number of applications and work situations in which this Bosch Professional solution can be used very efficiently. Your experience combined with the information that I just delivered in this clip can only result in an increase of efficiency and quality of the sanding works that you do or will do. Your impressions regarding this clip are welcome. And if you want to see other interesting clips about Bosch Professional technical solutions, go to our special YouTube channel and subscribe. All the best!